Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to run your first Go language program. So let's start. I'm just creating a folder and in here we will create a text document. So let's create a file. I'm named the file is test and the file extension will be .go. Let's open the Sublime text and it's already appeared in here. So let's start coding. At first you need to include the package main. This is the first thing you need to write in the Go language. The next thing is import fmt. Okay. There are lots of import things, something like import map, and there are lots of things. In this video we are not doing anything about the maps, so I will delete the import map. This will provide us some basic functionalities that we can use. So the next thing we can do, create a func which is function and its name will be main, parenthesis and curly bracket. This is the body of our code. In here we will use this package which is fmt for print, fmt.println. This p must be capital letter. Okay, this is the format. Let's type something which is hello world. So this is our program. Let's check actually how can we run our program. Open the git bash and you see we are in the GoLang folder, but our current location is desktop, so we need to change directory, which command is cd and GoLang. So our current directory is changed, which is GoLang. The system is for running a Go program, type go run and the program name which is test.go. So it shows us hello world. Let's change the text something like hello world to everyone. Let's run the program again. You see the text is changed and our output is perfect. So that's how you can create a Go program and run this program. That's it for today. Thank you.